your head on my shoulder.
So to start off this tutorial, I'm just concealing my eyebrows with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'm also going to be using this as an eye primer for my shadow. I've taken the red shadow from the Daisy Marquez palette, and I'm just going to keep applying that red until it's to my liking and to how I want it pigmented. Next, I'm going to be taking that yellow shadow from the palette, and once you blend out the red and the yellow, it's kind of going to make it look orange a bit, and you want to make sure that it's blended. If not, there's going to be a very harsh line between the yellow and the red, and you do not want that in this look. Next, I just went back with the red because once you blend out colors, it kind of just fades away. So you want to reapply that red to make sure it's to your liking. Next, I'm going with the burnt orange shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and this is the best burnt orange shade ever. And I'm just deepening that red a little bit. Next, I've taken this paintbrush from Michaels and my ColourPop concealer, and I'm going to just be cutting my crease. I have a video tutorial on this. If you guys would like to check it out, I'll leave it in the description box. I find that paintbrushes are a bit easier to cut the crease because the brush is a bit stiffer than a regular makeup brush. Next, I'm just blending out the edges to make sure it's soft, checking myself out a little bit. Next, I took this gold pigment, I think it's pronounced Gelaru, and I'm just applying that in the middle of my eye. After, I'm going to be taking this MAC pigment just to put in the inner where I cut the crease. I don't really know what it's called. It was too dark, so I applied this pigment just to brighten it up a little bit. I'm just giving myself lashes, basically. I'm applying my Amrezy highlighter. There ain't no highlighter like a white gold highlighter. I'm going to be taking my Gerard Cosmetics lip liner and lip gloss, and they have the best lip products. Next, I took that white shade from the Daisy Marquez palette just to brighten up my eyes a bit, and you're all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this fast and quick makeup tutorial. Make sure you like this video and make sure you give it a thumbs up and you subscribe. Thank you.